Welcome to Moza Music, the platform where we work on music. Post breakdown, Malaysia, get the message, man, the song, give positive feedback, inspire us. Basically, we post non toxic zone content. What is up, bro? We are back with another one. Yeah, Xaband. As I'm currently recording this, guys, we are sitting on 600 subscribers, which is crazy. So, the video that I'm about to react to each of our ministries, and they also sent me the invitation. Well, not to me, but there's a church, the messenger Tesal Onika. Yeah, the messenger Tessa Onika Apostolic Holy Church in Zion of SA. They are going to have the ordaining on the 29th of November 2025. They are ordaining Bishop MD Gumbi. Ne? Yeah. MD Gumbi to Archbishop. So this will be taking place, I think, at Pongola, which is hey guys, it's Zulu. Mfahani area. I hope I said that right. So for more information, but to contact umongameli, which is 078 363 4970. Nami some contact myself just to get more information about it. So bathi indawo Empafeni Kaya Lagwa Bishop MD. That's where the place will be happening. So my session is from 10 a.m. dress code, which is white church uniform. And then the second one, graduating ceremony, then a doctorate, which is graduating regala. And the next three, Umlindelo and Nkonzo celebration, which is 8 p.m. Dress code, white church uniform. So Bazalwane, make sure that you'll do attend, because this invite was sent to Joba Ministries. Joba Missions. I keep saying ministries. But I will post a picture Konala, and I will also contact the number just to get maybe like more information in the flyer con if they do have one as well. And then hopefully contact them just to make sure good in the content if like corner. I mean, I understand. So each Java Ministries was invited somewhere, I don't know where, and they went there. I saw the video. In mind, Jumon. So I saw the videos on TikTok, and I was like, "Woo, they look fire, bro!" And then I contacted someone. I was like, "Hey, can I? What you pa? What you tango?" So I don't know what song they were singing, but hey, dog, they came with it. Like Java Ministries is also one of the underrated churches, bro. Like super underrated, bro. Like super underrated. So not wasting your guys' time, let's dive right into it. Awuzwe nje. We just arrived. We just arrived, bro. And this church is one. Oh my god. Oh, yes. And I remember because when I listened to each other missions the first time, but who good? This year, and I was like, at that time, Benga put me videos or anything as so good, bro. It was a weekend. I remember it was a Saturday, bro. Oh my god. Ish. Ish, 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 ish. I was in a mission. Hey,
Akuphi? Covenant Church, Dumbe branch. I think that's where they was. Oh my god,
bro, I fell in love with them the first time I heard them. I was like, what? I was like, because the first video I remember, there was a lot of background noise. There were big PTZ, I understand. So you couldn't really pick it up. But I was like, nah, fam, these people are good. Like I kept saying it. I kept on some nah, these people are dope, bro. And look at this, bro. Listen to this. Why would I'm going? Do you hear the delivery, bro? Do you There is nothing more insane about taking a song that is sang in a different way and then make it the chorus. Thula moya wam ulalele. Like in most cases, makulo leyo ngoma leyo, nami if I can recall, it's a praise and worship song, but it's more of a slower pace Zion one type. These people decided, no, it's not enough. Tula. Like, bruh, the cadence in which they're singing. Big words, I know. Yeah! Oh, Puput Nkunzu. Angimboni. Where is he? I'll pick it. I'll pick if he's here, I'll see him. I'm not hearing what they're saying the first part, but that's basically they're saying that I'm going to live for him, I'm going to talk about him, and I'm also going to testify about Jesus Christ. That's the whole point of the whole song. The song started from like now you see Zion music is so powerful. Now you would understand why a lot of gospel people steal a lot of Zion music, bro. They may change a few lyrics here and there, add a couple of things, but majority, if not 80% of all gospel singers, most of their songs is hymns that are just in Zion. The system is the same. It's the same, bro. Because ingoma ezamacala ithi thula moya wami ulalela uJesu. And then inhliziyo maseyithulile, after you go out and then you testify about everything that you've seen, heard, all of that. Some of the biggest gospel songs in South Africa are Zion hymns. And I can stand tall and say, awuZion impela. uZion. Listen to this. imagine uh, had I had not clicked on that video Joba Ministries, bro, I would have missed out, bro. I would have missed out. Like, yo, Nyanchela Namanj, click on it, bro. It'd be like, as long as it's Zion, press. It's just, see.
Oh, I can't even. Goosebumps, bro. Look at my skin, bro. Look at my hair. Woo! Yo, bro, look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look.
Listen to how they breaking it down to two sections. All right, listen to how the alto is split into two. So the song is basically saying that you are the only God and you are the strongest. You are basically nothing is above you. No one is above you. Yeah, but listen to how the alto is split into two. Listen to that continuation, and you can hear with it. Yeah, Usayon is gonna make me lose my mind. You can hear who's calling now. Who's calling? Nobody. You can hear. We go to these two Java missions. People are sleeping on you. This church has been around for 40 years, bro. 40. People are sleeping on this church, bro. Yeah, my apologies, guys. I just had a phone call. So ah, ministries as each other ministries will kill me. Bro. They will kill me. Let's get to it. They told us good job, bro. bro. Honestly, 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 they just proved the point. I don't know, bro. I don't. I've never heard them sound like this. I've never heard them sound like this. I've been singing. I'm like, guys, angaganizwa. I've been saying it. Good. As ministries, nyayizwa chemistry, but angagabezwa. This was a testament of what I've been crying about all this time, bro. These people, tore the roof of that building. No, I have a feeling good they are going to try and shame this week. It's their time. Nihleli joba nendaba engaka ngijulile. I'm here and I'm like, they bet. No, you guys delivered. Ukuthi ndi-happy, it's an understatement. I am joy. Yay! Ndi-here. Oh my God. What do I say to people? Cabanga umuntu ongayazi iZion, I have to explain that to them. Bro, like, yo, as in, ngaze ngikhulume kuzokubuye Ngonyama Yezulu. So, yo, I'm the favorite poet of who? Me, Mr. Jupiter Kozakalan. I'm signing out. Adios.